In this video, I will show you how to download an image from Google on PC and mobile. Let's start with PC users. Go to google.com. Enter your search query or type the image name you want to download. Navigate to the Google Images tab. Scroll down to see more images. Click on any thumbnail to view a larger version of the image. To download an image, right-click on the image. Choose Save Image As from the context menu. Select your desired download location and click Save. The image will be saved to your computer. Let's save some more images. If you want, you can download an image from any website as well. Click on the image. Tap on Visit. It will take you to the website. To download an image, click on the image. Then right-click on the image. Choose Save Image As from the context menu. Select your desired download location and click Save. To find the saved image, open your Downloads folder. To view the image, double-click on it. Now let's see how to download images from Google to Gallery on a mobile phone. Open Google on your phone. Type your desired image keyword in the search bar. Tap on the Images tab. Scroll through the images. Tap on the one you want to download. Long press and hold the image until a menu appears. Select Download Image from the options. The image will be saved in your device's Downloads folder, which you can access through your Gallery app. If this method does not work for you, then follow these steps. Tap on the one you want to download. Tap on Visit. Tap on a thumbnail to view it in full size. Long press and hold the image until a menu pops up. Select Download Image from the options. The image will be saved in your Photos app. To find the saved image, open your gallery. To view the image, tap on it. By following these methods, you can efficiently download images from Google.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.